Good day and welcome once again to our series of video tutorials using Microsoft Excel. This time we're going to talk about different text functions. Okay? So right now, this is going to be the first part of our two-part series of our different text functions tutorial. Okay. So this time we're going to use the text to column function. Okay, this is one of the more important function because once you're going to separate, example, these names. Okay, as you might have noticed, example ang apelyido o pangalan. So if we wanted to separate name, first name from surname, then you can use the text to column function. As long as your data, your source data has separator, not a separator, either comma or space, then we can separate those names. Example, okay. What we're going to do right now is ito ni kopya ko diri ni siya. We're going to copy this diri. Okay? This is the finished output na ni siya. Finished na. Sakto na ni siya. Ato, we're going to try to demonstrate, or I'm going to try to demonstrate to you how I arrived this data here. So dito sa text to column. Now, what we are going to do right now is this one here, kini siya nga row nga data na to. Ato i-copy diri kapihon na to diri Kaniyo kana. Ayan. Then we're going to select this here, this one. Para ma-separate iyang pangalan, ato i-separate ang iyang apelyido diri o iyang pangalan diri Okay, that's what we're going to do. So, atong buhaton is that we go to data here, diri So, click on data. And then try to click kining button text to column. Then, click na siya. Then, na-wizard mo appear. You have to choose the file type that best describes your data. Characters with such as comma or tabs separate each field. So, kini ato i-click kana kay ang comma may atong gamiton. Si may tab notice kini siya mga pangalan ng mga comma. So, kana. Then, kini ato i-check. Then, click next. Then, kini siya i-uncheck ng tab. Then, check comma. Kay again, comma mali atong gamiton din Then, click next. And then, finish. Where's the data? Okay? Yeah. So, nara So, iyang i-separate ang apelyido sa pangalan using only the comma. So, muna ang purpose of text to column. Meaning to say, kini nga text, iyang i-distribute into columns. Yan. Okay? Now, here we have another function named trim function. Ang trim function, dili ka kayo makakita ang changes yun because ang iyang button is only iyang i-trim those names sumikidriya or kanadriya, those names nga ni mga extra nga mga spaces. So diri wala man ta extra nga spaces, so you cannot see much change. Okay. Pero still ato i-try So dito sa text gihapon kana and then try to look for the trim. Nara trim. Okay kana. Then ang text nga to i-trim kini siya diri kita siya mikini. Ato i-trim na to na kana. So kung naman gani extra spaces diri aside kini sa tunga, kini sa madaplin ba madaplin yung extra spaces. Kung naman gani na iyan ang ipang kwaon. So mo yung purpose. I-click na to na muna nga wala kayo changes kay wala man siya mga extra na spaces. Then ato na po siya i-copy and paste diri padulong. Okay? So kana. So inanara na siya gyapon. Okay? Then so that's all for our part 1 para sa atong different text function tutorial. See you in the part 2. Goodbye and God bless.